Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is Global Solution to Homelessness. Every child is born with true love in his heart, is her heart. Later it is the society, now global society, home, neighbors, institutions, etc., which makes him her a hero or criminal. Now we live in a global village and it is a global issue. Think of we all are living in one global boat, global ship, which has a hole in it, and day by day it is sinking, and it is up to the nose of humanity, which may collapse very soon. Every even world's only superpower, United States America, is facing gigantic homelessness. And what about rest of the world, especially in the third world, is record-breaking, unhuman, catastrophic epidemic disaster. Global housing bubble is the economy's biggest global risk and its biggest driver for killing many other industries. All the savings of people are stuck into housing because of which many people are not able to pay their bills and cannot go for home renovation. Many people, because of rising values of their homes, are now owners of millions of dollars of home but cannot afford to pay their bills and cannot educate their children, etc. Also, gradually, many people are becoming homeless as well. If one has his her own home and have enough money time to time, they go for repair, maintenance, and renovations, which boost economy and many industries run because of that. But if someone is on rent, she requests the landlord, and this slows economy. Global housing bubble is a curse on humanity. Global system must be fixed to save humanity, and no one should have without their own home. No one should be homeless. Search on internet for homelessness. For example, full coverage homelessness in Los Angeles, LA. Los Angeles homeless crisis goes from bad to worse. 15 most homeless cities in the world. As cities grows worldwide, so do the number of homeless. Global homelessness statistics, and there are many more. The best guide of a children are none but mothers, and who need special training to help raise their children to become hero and present a great example for the rest of the world and build whole new world, heavenly earth with true love for all humanity. Remember, we are children of Adam and Eve, and we are global brothers and global sisters of a global family. Humanity could have been trapped by criminal masterminds, which is causing global homelessness, global poverty, and artificial global famine. In the past, these criminals could have been created some scenario like Dracula movie to prevent from general public and do their hidden secret agendas in the special reserved places. In modern ages, they might be using modern advanced tools, technologies, etc., like science fictions to fool people and fulfill their hidden secret agenda. Whole Christianity might have been closed, have been dosed to sleep no matter what is happening to the humanity by twisting their faith that Jesus, peace be upon him, will come again and fix the world. So till then, for thousands of years, keep sleeping no matter what is happening to the rest of the world. Similarly, whole Muslim world might have been put on sleeping doors that when Imam Mehdi will come and he along with Jesus, peace be upon him, fight the Dajjal, and only then it will be peace in the world and Imam Mehdi will not be visible till the Dajjal attacks on Syria, which could be another trap. Perhaps the Dajjal will not attack Syria, population around 23 million as of 2018, directly till he finishes wipe out completely all 1.8 billion Muslims, will then turn towards rest of the world after capturing Muslims' wealth. Keep in mind, Aboriginals had already been wiped out, and who knows, you could be next after wiping out Muslims. It could be great gigantic trap to put humanity in trap. Now it is time for global world to wake up, rise up, and be careful from mastermind criminals, terrorists, and prevent humanity by joining global unity without any discrimination of religion, race, sex, gender, color, nationality, rich, poor, young, old, etc. Otherwise, they could be next in line. To protect world from criminal and terrorists, which is causing global homelessness, poverty, and famine, we must understand criminal masterminds and we must need to find the roots of all crimes, starting from the mother womb till the grave. Keep in mind, on a non-patient mother might what a not much non-patient mother might do if her child is crying for milk and she don't have enough money to buy milk for her. Remember when there was a woman driver with 1 year old child in the back seat killed after around 20 police car chases from White House to Capitol on 4th October 2013 at 5 at 2, 2:15 p.m. One of the possible reasons could be US federal government lockdown of 2013 ran from October 1 to October 16, 2013, which had certainly affected low-income families and small businesses. Breeding grounds of all kinds of terrorism and crimes are global homelessness, poverty, and famine, where people are widely available to do anything for little money for their survivals. Masterminds can easily find them, twist them, and including their beliefs and faiths, and forcefully use them according to their own desire. Masterminds may also create some scenarios by all means, including science fiction, to fool people to rob the wealth of the world. What is war is not an option in which economy dies again and again, but love is, which starts from forgiveness as mentioned in the Quran. Reference Al Quran chapter 41 verse 35. If two countries are in conflict war, it might last for few years or decades, including preparation time for other supporting, but other supporting countries might economy might boost since these two might be buying tools, etc. from them, and later all collapse. While love lasts much longer, as long as they keep loving each other. If in India alone, out of 1.4 billion, all 1 billion people needs high quality cell phones, for example, Samsung or iPhone right now. At present time, all cell phone industries together might not be able to produce it right away. Another example is if situation in the Middle East gets stable, perhaps 1% of 1.8 billion Muslim might be interested every year to visit Muqaddas, Baitul Aqsa Masjid in Jerusalem. Think of how much never-ending business will grow there and how much benefits the local people will get. The truth about truth has three bitter, sour, and painful stages. Stage one, ignorant people make fun of it. Stage two, ignorant people try to kill the truth, and truth dies when people wage war against each other. Stage three, people eventually accept the truth as being self-evident. In reality, truth stands out clear from error and makes you free, according to Quran. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 256. Also in Bible, Book of John, chapter 8, verse 32. Global world is facing global economic disaster and needs global revolution. It is not wealth, gold, silver, or power which can save global world. Allah sees Qarun, Pharaoh, Haman, and many more in the past for their crime against humanity, and nothing saved them, not even their wealth. power, people, etc. The world didn't end there, but it redeveloped after a great evolution. Those who have never faced poverty may never understand its solution unless they have really taken guidance from the Quran or have gone for intensive training. It is 100% guaranteed to save the world and to help build heavenly earth if we truly apply the guidance given by the Quran, and we can redevelop the world through our own great global revolution without any discrimination. In simple terms, no changes without right actions. It is time now to open our eyes and correct ourselves to serve humanity in a revolutionized way, in the light of Quran, in which all, including rich, poor, can live safe and sound, since Quran gives the true revolutionized guidance to fix global system to save humanity in a balanced way. Keep in mind, no customer, no businesses. More customer, more businesses. Good customers, good businesses. Healthy customers, healthy businesses. And customers are people. And by saving the people, we save the businesses. Reference Al Quran, chapter 5, verse 32. For better services to customers, we need better healthy employee, which means better benefits for employee, not benefit cuts, not job cuts. By laying off employees means increasing in poverty and famine, and also increases in crime. We don't know exact date when global poverty and global famine started, either hundreds years or 500 years or thousands years. But for sure, we have solution in the Quran, which teaches us to come to the common point without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, nationality, rich, poor, young, old, etc. With 100% guaranteed and without any compulsion in religion. Avoid loans, avoid waste, and stop greediness as much as possible, keeping in mind how much is too much to stabilize global world. Only true love with humanity in the light of Quran can save global world with 100% guarantee. We must join together to fight against global homelessness, poverty, and famine. Plant trees, plant fruits and vegetables, etc. in your backyard, on the side of the street and parks, wherever it is possible and permissible by your government. If you get more fruits and vegetables, etc., then what you need, then share it with your neighbors, friends, and relatives, and support following programs from the depth of your heart to fix global system, which is hurting all. Global world has to be fixed in phases since there is no magic wand, as well as we don't have overnight solution. In phase one, we we together need to save all those people who are badly suffering from global homelessness, poverty, and famine. Well, feed them, shelter them, educate them, and put all of them on research and development, and make them free from burden on rest of the world as much as possible. For this, we must have to use unlimited virtual gold as a new currency, only for the basic survivals, not for luxury, where a sip of wine is luxury, a single smoke is luxury, but computer is not. Rather, it is for education. All global students will get totally free education along with stipends allowances for their survival so that they can fully concentrate on their studies, which will help to build whole new world, heavenly earth. In phase two, together we need to work on to build whole new world and fix and find solution to present global system so that people from phase one can be re-employed, redeployed. We will only give suggestions and recommendations from phase one and pray for them without any force. We will wait forever to fix global world, even if takes hundreds of years or millions of years, as long as all the people around the world and all the government around the world allow us to run phase one globally, since using unlimited virtual gold as a new currency only for basic survivals. including their studies and research and development around the globe. All prototypes, solutions, suggestions, etc. will be totally free where no license needed and will be fully allowed for everyone. In phase 3, once phase 2 is fixed, we can move on for cosmetics luxury to build heavenly earth and uh, more beautiful. Sky is the limit. We must make sure that pollutions, etc., are totally under control. I invite you all to join this great noble mission to save humanity from global homelessness, poverty, and famine. I invite others to join it without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, nationality, etc. Thinking locally while living in global world will not save our global world. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of a nation or global world. Do not even think to try to reappoint those who were failed to protect the corruption in the land. Why waiting for saviors for thousands of years when humanity is dying now? Thank you.